Please welcome President of Emerson Test and Measurement, Ritu Favre.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Fort Worth. I am so excited to be here with all of you for NI Connect 2025. I'm so happy to have everybody here in person and also joining online. I want to talk a lot about what has happened since our last NI Connect. We have been incredibly busy, and we want to give you an update on what we have been up to. You have told us you want more innovation from us. You need more products. You need us to be the LabVIEW company, and we hear you. For over 5 decades, NI has delivered game-changing advances in automated test that simplified and redefined what was possible with test. Innovations like our graphical software LabVIEW, modular instrumentation, and software-connected systems continue to be the industry standards by reducing complexity and delivering long-term value for all of you. And we are not stopping there. As we work to enhance data management and integrate AI across our platforms, our ultimate goal is to empower you to do what you do best, innovate and create, by simplifying test system development. I talk about this a lot. As an engineer myself, I know the thrill that comes with making something new, something that moves technology forward, redefines an industry, or even changes the world. As president of Emerson's Test and Measurement Business Group, I have a front row seat to some of the most amazing technology and innovations that are created by all of you. Things like making space travel a reality, helping cars to drive themselves, developing life-saving medical technology, creating a cleaner source of energy, or even solving the next generation of 6G design. What you do is incredibly inspiring to me and to all of you. And these examples are just a small fraction of what is being created with the help of NI technology. I am now more confident than ever that our platform-based approach to test and measurement is essential to moving you into the next generation of technology innovation. We deliver the most open, flexible, modular platform that provides differentiated value now and will enable your success in the future. To do this, we continue to invest in 3 core elements of our approach. First, our open software remains an area of significant investment for us. We continue to strengthen the capabilities with feature releases and active roadmaps across the LabVIEW Plus suite and in System Link. This focuses on improving the productivity of the user, enabling better collaboration across teams, and integrating new technology such as AI. Second, we're continuing to invest in flexible and modular hardware. Today, you're going to see how we are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with new measurement technologies. You're also going to see us work to make this technology more accessible with new products and an increasingly wide range of price points. And the final element of our approach is a robust ecosystem. We are thankful for all of you that are here today, and we continue to invest in supporting your success through key communities like universities, system integrators, and user groups. Together, these 3 elements form an approach that make it easier for you, our users, and our customers to develop world-changing innovation. To give an example of one such innovation, please help me welcome the Director of Software Engineering at Medical Micro Instruments, Emmanuel Ruffaldi. Hello, Emanuele. It is so good to see you. Thank you for joining us. Please tell us a little bit about what you're working on.
Thank you, Ritu. It's a pleasure to be here. At Medical Micro Instruments, or MMI, we are building robots to conduct microsurgery. Microsurgery is a major leap forward in modern medicine. It is the process of performing complex surgery at small scale through tiny incisions on delicate tissues and the use of surgical microscope. The key task of microsurgery is the anastomosis, that is joining vessels like arteries and veins, lymphatic ducts or nerves. This may require to suture vessel down 0.3 millimeters, smaller than the thickness of a business card. Suturing vessel this small requires sutures that are barely possible to make with human hands. And to make it worse, human hands lose dexterity over time. Many of us will begin to develop hand tremors by our mid-40s. You can imagine the challenge for a surgeon who has to experience to perform a procedure but has to address physical limits.
Yeah, I visited your offices last September, and it was incredible to see Symani, the robotic solution that you had built. It was so, so impressive. Tell me a little bit about how you're making microsurgery more accessible.
Thank you. Symani uses motion scaling to transform large hand motions into smaller ones that are performed by nano-wrist microinstruments attached to Symani. This allows surgeons to create suture as small as a tenth of a millimeter. The benefit of smaller, more precise suture is ultimately better patient outcome with less damage to nerve tissues and lower risk of complications.
That's so amazing. And you chose the NI platform to build Symani. Can you tell us a little bit about why that was the right fit for you?
Yeah, breaking into the medical device market is difficult. You must quickly iterate on prototypes as you get clinical feedback, then scale to manufacturing, all while managing a complex regulatory process. For us, it was important to use a platform with highly integrated hardware and software. With NI, we saw the benefit of real-time processing capability in the FPGA, but with software that we could easily learn and use. With LabVIEW, we were able to quickly design, implement, and test the entire software stack from low-level control to user interface. The modularity of the Compact Trio hardware helped us evolve our I/O without changing the form factor of our controller. We started in 2015, and our development was so fast that we received our first regulatory approval in 2019, a mere 4 years later. Today, Symani has a global scope approved by the FDA, EU MDR, and selected APAC countries with more than 1,500 human cases so far.
Emmanuel, this is an incredible achievement, and it's not just me saying that. Symani has earned several awards, including being shortlisted in Time Magazine's prestigious Best Inventions of 2024. I'm so thrilled. I'm so thrilled that NI has been able to play a small part in helping bring this amazing product to market so quickly. So what is next for you and the team?
Yeah, we plan to improve Symani surgical system so it can be approved for more procedures, and we are looking forward to the next upgrade of the Compact Trio to take advantage of improved computing capabilities.
This is such an amazing story, Emmanuel. Thank you so much for sharing it with us. Thanks for being here. So the results that the MMI team have seen with the NI platform highlights the value of our tightly integrated hardware and software platform. The impact and potentially life-saving applications like this is just one example of what motivates me and us to continue to innovate our product portfolio. You just heard Emmanuel hint at something really exciting. I'm very pleased to announce that we've recently kicked off development on the next generation of the NI Compact Rio controllers to improve the embedded processor. We heard your feedback, and we're ready to go on that development. Over the past 5 decades, engineers around the world have looked to NI for the most advanced automation, technology, and test and measurement, and our plans for Compact Rio are just one example of how we continue to refine our roadmaps and are investing to continue to deliver. As Emerson Test and Measurement, it remains our mission to stay on this path, equipping all of you with a more intelligent approach to test system design. Thank you so much for joining us here today. There is so much more to come. And once you hear about what we have planned, I hope that you're excited as I am, not only about our vision for the future of test, but also what it will help you all accomplish. Thank you for joining us, and enjoy the rest of the conference.